Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. If you love someone because they love you, it's empathy. If someone does not want to talk, say you don't have to tell me. If you don't want to, it often makes them want to open up more. 8-year-old UK photographer Jamie spotted a rare pink grasshopper caused by a genetic mutation. Men will literally choose a shy, polite, soft woman with zero achievements over an arrogant career woman. On March 6, 1990, an SR-71 Blackbird flew from LA to DC in 64 minutes at an average speed of 2,124 meters per hour, setting a record. Cooking was the main driver of human cognitive development, study shows. The one who values friendship is the first to apologize. This does not mean that you are somehow humiliated. Eating watermelon keeps the mind calm and reduces anger due to its cooling effect on the body. Its high water content and nutrients help regulate body temperature and promote relaxation. If you are confused about why you love this person, it is love. An introvert's paradise, Pizza Hut launches new restaurant for one person. Dining in New York City, the food chain comes up with this idea to celebrate National Pizza Month. If you love someone because of their kindness, it's admiration. Emirates crowned as world's best airline, followed by Qatar Airways and Singapore Airlines. Study reviewed 90 airlines based on comfort, punctuality, and more. The person who cries for the most trivial reasons has withstood the most severe shocks. People, those with smaller brains, are smarter, have higher chances of being successful. Study. The middle son often resembles his father in behavior. Because white is too boring, French people use pink toilet paper as a symbol of luxury. Associated with romance and femininity, it became famous in 19th century. If you love someone for their looks, it's an obsession. The Pacific beetle cockroach produces a highly nutritious milk-like substance for its live babies. This fluid crystallizes inside the babies, forming tiny shimmering nutrient-packed gems. The incredible Fateh Singh Gill, a 3.5-year-old martial arts prodigy who conquered the Universe Championship and inspiring the world with dedication and passion. Timothy Treadwell spent 13 summers living among Alaska's bears in Katmai National Park until he and his girlfriend Amy were fatally attacked by a 28-year-old bear in October 2003, a tragedy later documented in Grizzly Man. Indian YouTubers' incredible transformation from Honda Civic to Lamborghini look-alike for only Rs 12 lakh. 80-year-old defies all odds to become the oldest man ever to conquer Mount Everest. Peppers trick your brain into feeling heat. One of the greatest values of mentors is the ability to see ahead what others cannot see and to help them navigate a course to their destination. Marvel has multiple characters called Captain Marvel because if they don't keep publishing a book with that title, DC will claim the trademark for its character of the same name. Walt Disney had a secret apartment above Disneyland's Main Street fire station where he observed the park unnoticed. Today, a lamp in the window stays lit in his honor. In 2007, workers in Antarctica discovered several perfectly preserved crates of Scotch whisky left behind by Ernest in 1909. Antarctica's minus 30 degrees Celsius temperature was not enough to freeze the liquor dating from 1890s. Studies suggest sugar coma is real. Glucose ingestion leads to worse cognitive performance. A new double-blind, placebo-controlled study found that glucose-containing sweeteners were linked to reduced attention and response times. More people have died climbing Table Mountain in Cape Town that have been killed by Mount Everest. Poor planning, dehydration, and even losing concentration while taking selfies are to blame. Mehran Karimi Nasseri, an Iranian who got stuck at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport in 1988 due to missing documents, spent 18 years living there before unfortunately passing away in 2022. His story inspiring the film The Terminal. The body of Blackbird violin is made entirely out of stone. It was carved from black diabase stone with slight modifications to allow it to be playable. Songs specific to this instrument had to be written because the sound it made did not fit with conventional violinist pieces. Secrets to instantly boost your confidence. Walk 25% faster than usual to feel more powerful. Practice looking people in the eyes for 2 seconds longer. Hold a gentle smile even if no one's around to activate positive emotions. Look at yourself in the mirror and nod, it reinforces self belief. Wear clothes that make you feel powerful. Start giving compliments freely because when you lift others, you indirectly lift yourself. Remind yourself that no one is judging you as much as you think. Thanks for watching.